app, and I will write a simple program of hello world in React. Let me show you how. Let's create a folder for us. To manage my folders better, I will create a new folder within my existing folder called this. Okay, let's create a folder called practice React. And into this practice React, we have to create a file. Let's create a file called practice React. So let's now open our terminal. In the new terminal, we will write this following command: npx create hyphen react hyphen app. The next thing we have to do is give a file name. So we will give a file name as practice react. Okay, now the installation has been successfully commenced. Let's wait for the installation. A couple of minutes to install all this. So finally we are ready to do some coding. Before that, let's change our directory to practice react. Okay, as we have now changed our directory to practice react, let's type in another command said code practice react. This will take us to our code file. Okay, here is our code file. For better visualization, for better for ease of understanding, let's open the folder separately. We could have done it if we simply wrote code practice before the cd practice react command, but we did not do so. So we have to open it manually now. So where is our practice react? Here it is. So let's select this folder. Yes. Okay. Now as our folder has been opened, let's go into the source src folder. Then this is going to be our main file app.js. This is our css. So what it contains is it contains a react logo which is rotating. To run this, let's open our new terminal. Yeah, we have to write a command. Let's wait for it. npm start. This is a command which will open our browser. Okay, let's wait for it to happen. Okay, as you can see now, our browser has been open and loading. What we will have to view first is a React logo. As you can see, we have a React logo with some text. So let's change it because we need it for our coding, right? So let's minimize this window. The code here is already written. So if we remove this code, let's say we remove it all, we can remove it all, but let's only remove the header part. Let's keep the div and write a h1. In this h1 we will write hello world. Okay, did we do some mistake? Yes. No, no mistake. We imported the SVG, which was our React logo. Now we have to remove this since we removed the uh, other code which was. Let's okay, now you can see the hello world here. So let's make some CSS style into it. This is the pre-written code for CSS already I selected the. So we will write h1. Let's give it a background color of red. Why red? Because we can see changes. So as you can see, we have red. So let's center it. Text align center. Okay, now our hello world is in center. We can edit